for the bell. EMF rocks.
Today here in Kansas City, we are expecting Snowmageddon. So I figured it'd be a good chance for me to do this video I promised I would, which was on the rear tail fender that I broke. I ordered a piece off of Amazon and not to my surprise, figured this would happen. It doesn't fit, but it's close. As most of you seen, I crashed my bike, broke the rear tail. I bought this off of Amazon hoping that would do the trick, but it's actually a pretty nice rear tail. It's riveted, which you could drill those out. The question is, does it fit? And I could take that bracket off and mess with this, but there's where the two, if you can see that or not, probably not. No, that doesn't work. Those two work, but that brings it, whoops, too far back. So in order for me to make this fit to where it actually looks decent, I'd have to do way too much fabrication, more than I want to, and it still probably won't fit because there's that nasty gap right there. I have decided that I'm going to mail this back and wait for the fender to come from Altis and or Voro, whichever one gets here first. You guys, gosh, this looks so bad. I promise you guys, like, my garage is getting cleaned up soon. We've got electric bikes. We've been on those things for years, and that's a 86-inch monitor that's going away and a door that we were going to do a barn door project on. It's going away as well. It's just been, I've been too busy to get all this knocked out, but this garage is going to get a remake and remodel. Anyway, there's the Rawrr Mantis. I'm going to pull these bikes out side by side at a viewer request. This is the Sigma, and show you all how they stack up in comparison for size. So the moral of the story is, does that aftermarket fender fit the bike? The answer is no, it will not. Also, real quick, got that cool little sticker on there. EMF, Electric Moto Family, Cole. Got to give you a shout out. Got my stuff in. Owe you a video. Got some grips from these guys. From Cole, actually, not these guys, but Cole. He's a pretty cool dude. Been chatting it up back and forth with him a little bit. He's in the Razor gang, Razor game, I should say, and hooked me up with some cool stuff. So you guys get a chance. You got razors. I've got a couple. You can see that quad right there is for sale. Actually, I just have one, and that Razor scooter, that thing's leaving. We're selling that. Two of those, actually. Getting rid of both these damn things. But yeah, anyway, the answer is this thing does not fit. So apologize for the trashed out background, but you know, it's going to snow. I'm going to clean this up. Probably make some more content this weekend since we're going to get stuck inside. But yep, you guys stick with the Altis fairings. I'm not sure if anybody's going to make any aftermarket parts for these things. As far as plastics, they are kind of brittle if they get tested. I've seen a couple other people break some stuff, so I'm not dissatisfied with them. They're, you know, depends on how you ride the bike, but yeah, that's that. All right, thanks everybody.